Alright guys, check this out. What we got here is a Volvo XC40 2018, and what we've done is we've installed front and back camera. So that's the rear one, but the difference with this front camera, it has a OEM finish, so it blends in with your vehicle top area here where the mirror is. So all this plastic bit, so as you can see, that's the camera there. So it gives you that factory look, so you don't see any dash cam on the windscreen. It goes in the original location. It's all connected to your phone, so you can see the back camera and the front. If you want this installed, get in contact with us. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.